Yeah, so we've all may or may not have been there where you're at a house fire or some sort of fire or a drill where you go to fire up the saw and for whatever reason it's flooded. Maybe you're in full choke, maybe you were pulling it and it popped, you missed the pop for whatever reason, the saw's flooded. So right now, saw is good and flooded. It's not going to start or work in normal operations. Right now, I'm just going to go to the saw here.
Yeah.
So we're in the run position. So chain brake off, compression switch is down, my knee on the hose. It's going to my knee on the saw. Just going to grab the throttle here and just give it some pulls. It might be a couple, might be several. So,
Nice work.
As you can see, with this saw being well maintained like it is, it only took a few pulls for me to get that unflooded. A saw that's less maintained, maybe it's got some old fuel, it may take more. Like I said, probably 6 to 12 pulls potentially. So there you go, House 52, and Randall had an unflooded chainsaw.